Hello students. Today we are going to discuss quantitative reasoning MCQs. So the first MCQ is 4 plus 4 minus 4 multiplied by 4 and divided by 4 is equal to what? So in this question we have to apply the mass rule. The mass rule means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So by moving from left to right we have to solve this question like 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. And 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is C, which is 4. So here is the explanation here. As you can see, the question is solved here. So move on to the next MCQ. 7 by 8 of 96 is. So you have to convert the meaning of in multiplication. In mathematics, of means multiplication. So to solve this question, you have to simply replace of by multiply sign. 7 by 8 of 96 means 7 by 8 multiplied by 96. So the answer is 84. Move on to the next MCQ. If x plus 3y is equal to 12 and minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 24, then what are the values of x and y? It is a simple mathematical question. You have to, here is the first statement and here is the second statement. The first statement is in first statement you have to multiply by 2. When you multiply by 2, you get 2x plus 6y is equal to 24. Here, when you add the both statements, 2x and minus 2x are cut, and you get the value of y. And here is the explanation here. You get the value of y as y is equal to 24. So you put the value of y in the first statement, and you get the value of x is equal to 60. So the correct option is B, as you can see. Now move on to the next MCQ. If f into x is equal to 2x square minus 2x minus 1, then f into minus 1 is equal to what? So here you can see the value of x is replaced by minus 1. Got it. To solve this question, you have to simply replace the value of x square as minus 1, x square, and x is equal to minus 1, and solve the MCQ. Here is the explanation here. As you can see, we replace the value of x as minus 1 and simply solve this question, and the answer is D, delta. The answer is equal to 3. So move on to the next MCQ. What is the 101 as first statement of this sequence? 1, 4, 7, 10. As you can see, the difference is of 10. To solve such type of questions, you have to apply if general formula here. Yes, you can see a n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Here n means the number you want you want to evaluate. Like this is an arithmetic sequence where is the difference of 3. The first element is 1 and total elements are 101. So a1 is equal to 1, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 101. So by using the formula nth term, you can easily calculate the arithmetic sequence. So just you have to apply this formula, and you have to put the values like here a1 means the first value is 1. So you put 1 plus n means the question is asking about where we have to go. Like we have to calculate 101 or 10 first sequence. So we put 101, and the formula goes through minus 1 and minus 1, and difference is of 3. 1, 4, 7, 10. The difference is of 3. Got it. By calculating this, we got a 301. So the answer would be 301. The answer is Charlie. So move on to the next MCQ. What is the sum of sequence of 10, 20, 30, 40? Here, to solve this question, to solve such type of question, you have to apply geometric sequence. So the formula of this question is, you can see it is you can see Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a1 plus a1 an. As you can see, the explanation here, when we move from 10 to 1000, there are 100 digits. So we put 100 over here and divide by 2. 2 is a formula, and a1 plus an means the first digit is 10 and the last digit is 1000. So we put 10 plus 1000, and the answer is 50,500. So the answer is beta 6. Beta 50,500. So the next MCQ is, consider a large circle where you can see the line AB is the radius of the circle. Here is small circle and the large circle. The line AB means the radius, which is 7 centimeter in length. What is the area of larger circle? So you know the formula of circumference of circle means 2 pi r, and the area of circle means pi r square. So pi means 3.1428 multiplied by r square means radius square. So the radius is 7 centimeter in length. So as you can see the explanation here, pi r square 22 over 7 multiplied by 7 square is equal to 154 centimeter. Here is the solution of this question. Move on to the next MCQ here. Now, moving on to the next MCQ, as you can see, question number 8. A train traveled a distance of 6,000 km from Lahore to Karachi in 22 hours. And during travel from Karachi to Lahore, the train got late due to engine failure and reached Lahore in 28 hours. What is the average speed of the train? Here you have to apply only simple formula of average speed. Here, average speed means total distance or total time. So we got S1 plus S2 over T1 plus T2. S1 means 6,000 kilometer. The train moved from Karachi to Lahore to Karachi and then Karachi to Lahore. So the same distance will be covered. So S1 plus S2 over T1 plus T2. S1 means 6,000 plus S2 means 6,000 over. We got 2 times 22 hours plus 28 hours, as we have to calculate average speed. So simply by putting the average formula, we got 12,000 over 50, and the answer is 240 kilometers per hour. So moving on to the next MCQ. If 6 men can complete a work in 15 hours, then how many hours will it take? Yeah, sorry for interruption, and move on to the next MCQ here. Question number 9. If 6 men can complete a work in 15 hours, then how many hours it will take if 10 men working on the same speed completes the work? As you can see, the question is about inverse proportional. The question is about inverse proportional. When number of men are greater, then a time taken will be less. Got it? And when number of men are less, then time taken will be greater. And number of men are greater, the time taken will be less. As you can see the explanation here, number of men are 6 men. Yeah, the number of men are 6 and time taken is 15 hours. When number of men are 10, then how much time will be taken? By applying inverse proportional rule, you have to simply multiply 6 multiplied by 15 and 10 multiplied by x. Here you can easily calculate the value of x, which is 9. So 9 hours will be taken if 10 men working on the same speed. So 9 hours will be taken if 10 men working on the same speed as 6 men working on the same speed as 15 hours. So the option is Charlie. X is equal to 9. So move on to the last MCQ here. The ages of Suhail, Afzal and Bilal are 17, 16 and 12 respectively. If the age of Aslam also included, the average of the ages is increased by 5. Yeah. What is the age of Aslam? To solve this question, you can see the procedure here. First, we have to calculate the average of Suhail, Afzal, and Bilal. So, 17 plus 16 plus 12 over 3, the three of them is equal to 15. The average of three of them is 15. So, yeah, when we included Aslam, the average is increased by 5. So, as you can see, when now apply another formula of average. 17 plus 16 plus 12 plus x means the age of Aslam, and over 4 means the four of them is equal to 15, plus 5 15 means the average of three of them. You got it? Suhail, Afzal and Bilal. And 5, the age is increased by 5 when Aslam is included. So you can calculate the value of x is equal to 35. So 35 is the age of Aslam here. Yeah, got it. Yeah, as you can see, we have successfully conducted and reviewed 10 MCQs of logical reasoning, quantitative reasoning here. So like and subscribe this channel for more quantitative reasoning, MCQs, facts and figures. So yeah, here you can see the explanation here and all of them.